to all of you. Today's online class is English grammar. Last episode I made comprehension passage. Today I am taking another topic, shortening the passages, shortening the paragraphs. Popular question coming in the competitive examinations as well as school level examinations. Here, what you have to do, we will discuss in this video. Before that, let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also. This question is compulsorily found in most of the competitive examinations. That is, one paragraph will be given, mainly 300 to 500 words, and your job is to shorten the paragraph to 1/3 of the size. That means you have to rewrite the paragraph by shortening, but the content should be there. What all content is present in the big paragraph, all that content should be there, but the number of words should be less, 1/3. I will tell one example. Here I have shown one paragraph. The 130 words. Two paragraphs I have given containing around 130 words. We have to shorten these paragraphs without damaging the content of these paragraphs, and make it as short to 1/3 of the size, consisting of around 40 to 45 words. How it is done, we will discuss. Here, what we have to do is the number of sentences we have to reduce. We can combine one or two or three sentences to make it one sentence. But all the content available in the three sentences should be combined to form one sentence. One example I will tell. From the paragraph, I will read the sentences. People living in different countries made different kinds of words. There are about 1,500 different languages in the world. Each contains mostly thousands of words. There are three sentences. People living in different countries made different kinds of words. One sentence. There are about 1,500 different languages in the world. Second sentence. Each contains many thousands of words. Third sentence. We don't need all three sentences. Instead of that, we can reduce it to one sentence and make it like this. People of different countries made different kinds of words. Over 1,000 languages in the world containing thousands of words. Only one sentence. I will tell the sentence once again. People of different countries made different kinds of words. Over 1,500 languages in the world contains thousands of words. The topic contained in the three sentences are taken into one sentence. You can omit certain words, or you can rearrange the words, or or you can use alternative words, and you can make commas in between so that there will be a pause in the sentence that you have to combine different sentences. Next, we will read the next sentences. You should try to make your vocabulary bigger. Read as many books as you can. There are plenty of books written in easy English for you to read. You will enjoy them. When you meet a new word, find it in your dictionary. Your dictionary is your most useful book. There are so many sentences I read, and I combined all the sentences like this. Read a lot to increase your vocabulary. New words, comma, find in dictionary, comma, most useful book. That is, so many words I have not taken, and I introduced commas in between. Your vocabulary. Read a lot to increase your vocabulary, comma, new words, comma, find in dictionary, comma, most useful book. Dictionary is the most useful book. Like that, you use your own method to uh, reproduce the paragraphs in a shortened method. All of you watch all my videos completely and subscribe also.